Today on world famous foods, spaghetti carbonara. Let's cook. Okay, we're gonna be using this ham today. Some type of Italian ham. It's got a little bit of fat on it. We already chopped it up. Time to start cooking. Okay, we're gonna grate our Parmesan cheese. Yeah, this should be a pretty easy recipe, right? Okay, we're gonna be using just 2 eggs today. Add some black pepper. And we're going to mix this up. Okay, so this we're going to just set to the side. Cook our spaghetti now. All right, we got our spaghetti cooking. About for another 6 minutes or so. Then we're gonna move on with our project. Now we're gonna start cooking our ham. Okay, we're gonna add some garlic. All right, so now we're going to turn off our heat. Going to start adding our spaghetti. Now we're going to add our eggs and our cheese. I was really skeptical about making this recipe because of the uncooked eggs, but as you can see, the eggs are being cooked right now. Look at that. That's another reason why I use this cast iron pan also. Okay folks, now we have our nice creamy sauce there. Finished product, world famous food, spaghetti carbonara.